Hi everybody. I got this box from Super Clean. They asked me to test out their cleaning product and I said yes. So that's what we'll be doing today. This is an all-purpose cleaner and degreaser, and it's available at Walmart and different places. And you can get a bottle of it. You can get a bottle of it for about $5. Oh. They also sent me a pack of floor absorbent for any spills with a 50% off coupon for more. That's good. And I also got a t-shirt and a cap. There's the cap. It's pretty, purple and white. And here is the t-shirt. Okay. All set with that. All right. Here's a bottle of Super Clean. Okay, the directions say cover the surface with Super Clean in the appropriate strength, allowing time to dissolve grease and grime. Do not allow it to dry on the surface. Rinse thoroughly and dry as needed. And it says depending on how you're using it, you may want to wear gloves or eye protection. There you go. And here's some more information about the product, the strengths and how to use them. Okay, these are some of the different products that they offer. Okay, so I have the aerosol spray and the trigger spray. All right. So I'm going to get some gloves and a sponge and we're going to start cleaning. Okay, on this side I sprayed the foam in the can, and on this side I sprayed the liquid from the trigger spray. Okay, so after all that scrubbing, they both work very well. But I think the foam actually does a better job. It makes the job easier, I'll say. They both clean the grease and everything, but the foam is the one that I would buy when I'm done with both of these. All right, so I'm going to finish up the spring cleaning. And that's it for the review of Super Clean. Thanks for watching. Bye.